Today's episode, I'm going to build a doll bed. I based this doll bed upon actually my daughter's bed so that she can have a special matching bed for her dolls and stuffed animals to sit right next to hers in her room. I'll put a picture of it up here or down there, wherever fits. We'll see which one works out. So to start for the bed frame, I've made up a few stencils here for the pieces I'm going to need. Again today, for the build, we're going to be using more scrap wood. You might notice a trend. I like to use a lot of reclaimed and reused wood. One thing, because it just saves it from the scrap heap, but a much bigger part of that is I'm cheap and it's available. Let's get this guy torn down to get started. Now that that's done, let's move on to tracing the outline. Now we can go ahead and get cutting. So we have our main frame pieces of the bed. Nice and simple, perfect for anywhere between a 6 and a 12-inch doll. Alright, now I'm going to sand these guys down a little bit. It's coming together nicely. It's just about time to start assembling. Alright, let's glue it up and see how it all goes together. I would say, all in all, looking good. So I'm going to put some weights on that and let it dry. Okay, so we let that dry overnight. Just need to do a little bit of sanding. So let's grab the sander and get started. have all of the bottom pieces there, nice and flush to the base. So we'll glue this piece in. But before we do, we're going to tape off and paint. So we'll let that dry, and then I'll sand it down and do another coat. So it's been about 4 hours, and now I'm just going to give it a light sanding and do another coat. Okay, I hope this camera got some good footage because that camera fell down during filming. So we'll let that dry. So it's been another 4 hours, and as you can see, I've already unwrapped one side. So you can see what the final design is going to be here. We have two things to do next. We have to glue in the base piece and then spray it with clear coat. Now we'll let that dry, and we'll probably do 1 or 2 more coats. It dries pretty quick. It is the next morning, and I promise the last shirt change of the video. The bed is all dry, and what you didn't see is I came back down and did a couple more coats during the night. Now I'm just going to wipe it off with a damp paper towel. Alright, and we're done. All in all, I would say I'm very happy with how it turned out. I'm really excited to give it to my daughter for her to play with. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified every time we put out a new video.